Look at it. Look at all this crap. Long delivery times for Teslas just means larger accessory shopping binges, I guess. I'm going to end up paying more than the price of the car if I don't stop buying all this. Okay, let's open these packages in a totally normal way. All right, so let's talk about some of this stuff. So the first item up is the floor mats. These are the Tesmanian floor mats for the Model 3. They asked, which floor mats would you like? And I said, yes. Give me all the mats, please. Main concern when I was looking for floor mats was that they could handle the winters and protect the interior. You can see that they're pretty thick. They're very heavy duty, but they're pliable. They have very high lips and edges. And I'm pretty impressed with them, I have to say. They actually feel very nice, and they feel like they'd be very dependable. Maybe we'll give them an update on this in the winter. And also, price was quite attractive. They're the best price among the other high-end and top mats that you can get out there. These were $279.99 before any promo code that you throw in there, and there's always promo codes that you can throw in there for these bad boys. Taking a look inside the car, you can see the nice deep ridges that help hold and collect dirt, snow, spilled $10 coffees, etc. The backing on the undersides of these are very sticky and help keep the mat stay in place very well. I've had no issues in the short time I've had it of those mats moving around or slipping out on me. And here's a look at the mat in the back seat. These mats, I gotta say, are actually extremely well-fitting. They get in nice and tight, a very little gap or no gap at all. Gives me a lot of confidence in all the junk that's going to be happening in here as we live in our car, and to be able to clean this out easily and to protect the car itself. So very impressed with the precision fit of these floor mats. And you can see there's a really good fit in the trunk as well. The mats are made out of premium thermoplastic elastomer, 300% better temperature resistance than normal PVC, 100% odorless, BPA free, environmentally friendly, and non-toxic, unlike much of Reddit. My very early take on these is that I strongly recommend these mats. Next are liners for the side storage cubbies for all four doors. These are from Motrobe on Amazon. $30 gets you all four liners. Again, I'm adding another layer of protection and easy clean for a car that's definitely going to be exposed to more extreme weather and conditions. You can see that the fit isn't perfect, especially on the driver's side. There is a bit of a gap that persists. For me, it's not the end of the world, but I wish it was a touch better and could see how it may bother a more neat and tidy person. I still recommend getting them as a nice to have, but maybe not quite a need to have. Here's a cup holder insert, also from Motrobe on Amazon. This is going to cost you 22 bones. Made of TPE, it's strong, durable, and non-toxic. The site also says it's tasteless. I'm not sure whether to make a joke about someone licking it, or about the manufacturer claiming that this lacks style and good taste. But the big question, does this actually work? Without an insert, the Model 3 cup holder can pose some problems for small and oddly sized drinks. But you can see I grabbed a container that's just about the size limit for this, and the liner refuses to be pulled out, regardless if I pull quickly or slowly. I'm actually impressed, and I definitely recommend this cup holder liner. Next is a tire repair device, specifically the ResQ Pro Plus. Many new cars, not just Teslas, are forgoing a spare tire with the car. Some manufacturers provide a repair kit, and some, like Tesla, let you figure out what to do. This device plugs into the cigarette lighter fitting and can fill your tire with air and/or a sealant. You can either use just the air if that's all your tire needs, or it can also pump in a sealant, which will help stop or slow a leak in the tire. The sealant in this kit is supposedly easy to wash out of the tire, so it can potentially save the tire and that you can keep using it. Other kits have a sealant that will help you drive the car to a garage or service center, but the sealant will make the tire non-drivable long term. I haven't personally used this sealant, so I'm not entirely sure, but plenty of reviews claim it works. So here's hoping that I'll never have to find out. I think a tire repair kit of some kind is an absolute must for a Tesla, just to help increase the chances of fixing a tire issue on your own so you're not stranded and at the mercy of a service vehicle or a tow. Especially so if you live in a more remote or an unforgiving climate. I also picked up a NEMA 1450 adapter from the Tesla store for the, you'll never guess, NEMA 1450 outlet I installed in the garage. I won't go into a whole tangent of at-home charging options here. That's for a different video. But yeah, it works perfectly. Next is an upgrade to the thumb drive that comes with the Tesla for Sentry Mode. I got a 500 gig SSD. I like the added comfort of having a solid-state drive to record Sentry Mode and dashcam events, as well as having the additional storage size. I'm not going to go through how to set this up now. Again, that's for another video. But I can say, if you plan on using Sentry Mode more extensively or really want to minimize the risk of a recording and saving failure, I strongly recommend getting a large portable SSD. Now this is one of my favorite accessories, a protector cap for the charger. Yes, really. It's simple, inexpensive. You know you're an old when a protector cap gets you more excited than some interior wrapper and body enhancement. But seriously, everyone should buy one of these if you don't have one. It's made from a nice quality silicone. It covers the charging end so things don't find their way in when the charger isn't in use. And the silicone ring part below the cap also joins in on the protection and shields the charger if it's dropped or banged around, potentially saving you from having to replace a charger if something happened. This is an absolute must for Teslas in a snow belt. It's also a must for anyone who has ever dropped anything in their life. Go buy now. Next is the screen protector. I purchased the Spigen matte anti-glare protector and I'm really happy with it. This is my screen after a month or so without wiping or cleaning the screen. You can see fingerprints making a little heat map of how I use the touchscreen. These fingerprint marks are greatly reduced compared to what the screen looks like without a protector on it, and the cleaning of the screen is easy peasy. The protector also helps keep the screen visible when the bright sun shines on it. Easy to install and working superbly. I highly recommend ordering one of these to be ready to install in your car on day one of owning a Tesla. Oh man, look at these sweet new hockey pucks I got. Actually, these are jack lift pads / pucks that you need if you plan on jacking your Tesla. You need this so you don't place a jack on Tesla's battery and damage the battery in the process. If you bring your Tesla to a non-Tesla auto repair place, for example, you might do this if you need to change tires, make absolutely sure they have these pucks or jack pads to protect your Tesla from their lifts. These aren't absolutely needed for everybody, but if you want the ability to lift the car on your own for some reason, like a scheduled or unscheduled tire change, then these are definitely needed. Here's my rating summary on these accessories. The up north need shows how important it is to have these items where cold and snow is a regular winter thing, since we tend to have different needs up here. I left the NEMA 1450 and the SSD as an average need. Those seem to still be more of a personal preference and situation for people up here. Get the tire sealant and pump, you're not going to regret having that. And I'd say the screen protector is a big need, especially when you inevitably get snow, grime, and cheese curds on it. It also actually really helps out in winter months with the low-angle sun glares. I love the floor mats, I love the cup holder liner, and I really love the charger cap protector. Everything else I like and enjoy, and I'm glad to have them. All of these products are linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found some of this helpful. We'll see you up north.